Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to generate a thank you email on the Pixelcut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the create button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on the all button in the middle. Scroll down to the business tools section and tap on magic writer. Then scroll down to the thank you email feature and tap on it. Select who is the email to, so type in the recipient and type in what are you thanking them for and click on the generate button. You should wait a few seconds and the thank you email appears in the middle of the screen. So here you can see it. If you would like to, you can regenerate the email by tapping on this button down below. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.